Hi everyone, today's makeup tutorial is yet another everyday simple look. This is the kind of makeup I like. This is the kind of makeup I do every day. So here it goes. Enjoy it. Okay, so let's foundation first, as always. Okie dokes. Concealer. Maybelline Fit Me powder. For bronzer, I'm using this very dirty, very expensive Tom Ford bronzer in the shade Terra. I've used it a lot because it's expensive. Okay, I want to get my money's worth. There we go. This doesn't really give you a very bronzy look. I just like it because it gets rid of that I died 2 days ago kind of look that I have when I wake up in the morning. You know, MAC Desert Rose blush. I want to keep this look very natural but with a bit of a glow, so I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. Then I'm using Colourpop Super Shock Cheek highlighter. Looks like this. This is in the shade Flexitarian. Now this is really intense. You might want to blend it out. And then I'm using just a touch of that in the inner corner. And under the brow. I really hope you can see, because this is like real glowy. Set the face. For my eyebrows, I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set. What? Try to get it on your actual eyebrows. this is pretty much all I'm doing because I just like that it looks healthy and glowy. I don't want it to look like too done. So I'm just gonna do mascara and that's it. Alright. It looks really nice in person. I hope it looks okay on camera. Anywho, for lipstick, you can do, of course, anything that you want. I'm using a red just because at least it looks like I've done something, because for now it looks not like much. Anywho, this is a Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Mama. Maybelline. People literally wait for me to sit down to film to start making noises. What's happening? Fine. Okay. Let's do this. There's cars, there's things are happening, you know, but